All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching, and whenever you are watching this. Um, Today, we are quickly going to look at applications of logarithm, and we have looked at logarithm itself, the rules of logarithm, some of the examples how we can remove logarithm when we have number. For example, let's say we have log a base b equals to x. To remove the logarithm, you have what? We have a equals to b raised power x. A equals to b raised power x. So that is that about that. But today we are going to applications of logarithm. Applications of logarithm. So let's look at an example. We have an example here, and the example says solve 92.5 over 3.12 using logarithm tables. Using the logarithm tables. I hope you are with your logarithm tables. I mean the four-figure tables. So we are going to be using that to solve our logarithm. So in the next few minutes, let's look at how we can do it. So we start with our number, then we have a table, then we have log. Starts with number and we have our log. So under the numbers, we write our numerator, which is 92.5. Then write the denominator, which is 3.12. Now, how do we check in the logarithm of tables? In the logarithm table, how do we check in the four-figure table? So you check your logarithm table. So you go to logarithm of numbers. Logarithm of numbers, then that which it ranges from 10 to 99. So we check. This is 92.5. So we are going to check for 92 under 5. So we have the hex and we have differences. So under the hex, that's where we check our 92. Under that column of x, we check our 92, and the other numbers which range from 0 to 9, then we check our the first number, which is the 5. So we say 92 under 5. 92 under 5 is 9661. Before we do that, our characteristic here is what? Is 1.9661. Then for this, the characteristic for this is what? 0. So we check. This is 3.12. Then we check 31 under 2. 31 under 2, which is 4942. 4942. Now we have successfully checked for the logarithm of these numbers. So this is number, this is their logarithm. So what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is, now because this is division, according to indices, the division will change to minus. So we are going to subtract these two logarithms from each other. So when we subtract, what do we have? This is bottom one here, put it here, we have 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So this one is it remains 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So yeah, okay, 11 minus 2 is 9. So 5 minus 4 is 1. This is 6. Bottom one here, put it there, make 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is, I think that's 7. Then this is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. So we have subtracted this from each other because we have a division from the question. If it is multiplication from the question, then we are going to add. Do you understand? We are going to add. So now that I've gotten this, after subtraction, we are going to find the anti-log. That's anti-logarithm. But for short, we call it anti-log. And logarithm is now equals to. So what are we going to do? Now we are going to keep our characteristic first, and we deal with this decimal fraction, which is 4719. So what are we going to do? We are going to check for 47 under 1, difference of 9. So to do that, we are not going to check it under the logarithm of numbers. We are going to go to anti-logarithm of numbers. Then we check for 47 under 1. 47 under 1 is 29 2958. Then difference of 9. Difference of 9 is 6. So we add this together. What do we have? 4, 6, 9, 2. So this is 2964. Now we are not done yet. To finalize everything, so we say to finalize everything, we have the characteristics of what? Of 1. The characteristic of 1. So where is it going to be? Here after 9. So our final answer is 29.64. That's our final answer. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also in order to see more videos. And if you don't understand, please rewatch or you can comment so we can have a one-on-one session. Thank you very much.